just open this PC in Windows 10. There is this PC in Windows 7. There is my computer, and inside the Windows 10, for Windows 10 where your Windows install, just go into program files and search for Realtek. So let's search for Realtek. Might be this is in a program files or program files 86, which is 32-bit programs, but in my case it is in program files, which is 64-bit program files folder. So just open this. You can see here the folder audio. Click on HTA, and you can see here two applications. If you can see clearly, RAVBG64, RAVCPL64. So this is a CPL64. We have to open it. You can see the size difference. This is just a 1.5 MB almost, and this is 17 MB. So you have to open biggest size application and just open it. Once you open it, you can see here microphone line in. So line in, I just connected my microphone with this line in port. So you have to just plug in your microphone, and you can see here there is option. If you double click on it, you can see line in, mic in, headphone, speaker out, headset. So you can see this window. Now I'm going to play video where I'm going to connect my Boya M1 microphone to my laptop, and you can see this clearly how this actually works. So guys, you can see this is a microphone, Boya M1 microphone. As you can see in this video, this is Boya M1 microphone. If I can focus on it, okay. So this is Boya M1 microphone. Make sure that this button is on. You can see here there is a button, small button. What you need to do is just take a cable of this and connect it with your microphone jack. You can see my laptop has only one single jack, and I just plug the Boya microphone to the laptop here, and you can see on my screen as soon as there is a small pop-up window is there, so I can choose between line in, mic in, headphone, speaker out, or headset. So make sure you do not click on this. Remember my selection and not show the dialog next time. So if you click on this pop-up window will not appear. So if you click on this might painfully have to just go again here and then choose again this application and again click on this black button. So make sure don't click on this, just keep it as it is, and okay, that's it. So here is the line in. There is recording volume is full, and I'm using Boya M1 microphone with the full volume, recording volume, and playback volume is medium. So what is the advantage of line in? That if you use line in, then you can use this Boya M1 microphone as an input device and default speaker of your laptop as output device. So you don't need to connect or splitter for this. So I want to discuss something about the Realtek. Some laptop like HP and some of the Lenovo laptop, some of the Dell laptop, lots of laptops don't have that Realtek software, Realtek support, driver support. So what you need to do is just go on official website of Realtek and just download it. I will provide the link in description. You can just go there, find out the compatible version for your PC, and just you're done. But what if you don't get compatible version for your PC or laptop? So like in Lenovo there are option for smart audio. If you search carefully, in HP there is option for HP smart audio or HP audio manager. You can go there and check out. You can see these options very easily. You don't need to do this all hassle. So I'm requesting you just first of all, before doing anything, just check out your PC or laptop, whatever, support Realtek or not. If it's not, then just go ahead and find out on official website of your PC or your laptop, or contact your customer care how to do it. And the ultimate solution for this is the audio adapter is the last option if it doesn't support or it doesn't have that kind of support. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe.